Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's session, we'll discuss about the prime check program in Python. So first of all, let us see what is a prime number and then we'll see the logic. So how to find the number is a prime or not. So how many of you know about the prime number? So once again, I will repeat the logic. Prime number, right? So a number is called a prime number. So a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime number, right? So we need to find the prime number. So what we have to do, so we need to divide that prime number from 2 to n minus 1. For example, if n is a number, then n should be divided from 2 to n minus 1, right? If any number is divisible by n, okay, between 2 to n minus 1, so we can say it is not a prime. Otherwise it is a prime, right? It is prime. So for this one, we'll take one control variable, a loop variable iterates from 2 to n minus 1, 2 to n minus 1, right? And how to know whether the number is divisible? So mod operator is used to find the factor. So factor means which is divisible by the number, right? So by using this logic, we'll use, for example, let us take an example, some n is equal to 5. So if it is n is equal to 5, so that number should be divisible by n. We need to check n mod 5 mod 2, 5 mod 3, 5 mod 4. So if any one results 0, then it is not a prime, right? But here it doesn't, any one doesn't result 0, right? So in this case it doesn't result the 0. Doesn't result 0, then it is a prime because it doesn't have any factors. So we are checking from 2 to n minus 1, 2 to n minus 1, right? See, let's move on to the logic. So let us take a number n is equal to n input, enter number, and now we need to check. So we will iterate, okay? So for I will take one loop variable I. In range, we have to start with a 2 to n minus 1. So in the range function, if you use n as a upper bound, so it doesn't evaluate the n. So it will evaluate till n minus 1. It will iterate till n minus 1. So 2 to n. And here we have to check if n mod I is equal to 0. Simply we can print n is not a prime, right? And in any condition, in any number, if any number is divisible by that particular loop variable, it is prime. So we can simply break. We need not iterate the next numbers, right? Then else, if doesn't results to 0, simply we can print n is prime. Okay, hope you understood. So we can write the else part in Python for the iterative statements also. If this condition fails, okay, if this condition fails, automatically the else part will be get executed. So if it doesn't execute this one, automatically the else part will be executed and it is prime. So whenever the mod operator is 0, that means these are the factors. There are factors for that particular number, but the prime number will be having a factors of 1 and itself, but we are excluding the both. So we are excluding 1 and n. So we are iterating from 2 to n minus 1, right? So execute this one, go to the 10. So 10 is not prime because we are having a factors, right? Simply you can print here. See, if you go with the 10, so we are having some factors. Okay, so 2. Okay, a 10 mod 2 is equal to 0. Automatically it will print 2 and break. So if you are not using this break statement, we'll get all the factors 2, 5 and 10. 2, 5 and 10, right? So we are using, if any one of the thing is 0, if there is a factor, any one factor, simply we'll get it's not a prime. Okay, so one more example, execute some 15. 15 is not a prime because it is having a factors 3, 5, 15. So go to the 20, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 ones. So it's not a prime. Maybe it has a factor. Simply we can see which one is a factor, the first factor. Which one is the first factor? So 1, 1, 1. So 11. 11 is the first factor, right? So that's why we got n is not a prime. So hope you understood. This is a simple program to find whether the given number is a prime or not. So if you are having any doubts, so feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. If you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.